We created Porcement from my personal experience. So we saw the amount of waste of porcelain, ceramics and sanitary ware that was going to landfill. So we decided to try and do something about it.
Now, we all know that concrete is the bad guy for the environment, and it's due to the production of Portland cement. So our challenge was to identify a way where in South Wales we can come up with a replacement for Portland cement with a lower carbon footprint.
We know that here at Aberthorpe there is a pile of Aberthorpe fly ash, and we're looking to blend our porcement powder, which is our ceramic porcelain powder, in with the Aberthorpe fly ash to make a substitute for cement materials.
The problem with the fly ash in Aberthorpe is the high content of carbon. That high content of unburned carbon prevents currently the use of this fly ash as a supplementary cementitious materials, because high carbon leads to high electrical conductivity, hence corrosion of the steel reinforcement.
So really early on in the research study, Cardiff University managed and found a solution to quickly extract that carbon content.
We found a way by using commercially available froth flotation methods, and that provided us with fly ash with a low loss in ignition comparable to commercially available fly ash.
It proved that actually the residual fly ash works really well with our porcement powder.
The programme, which is part of the CCR Cluster Growth Development Programme, aims to provide businesses with an opportunity to start collaborations with universities in the region to help drive innovation and ultimately to develop economic benefits to the region.
It's early stages for the commercialisation, but from a research point of view, it's been brilliant. So it's having Cardiff University and Ricardo's expertise on board has validated all the research that's gone on, and that's proven that actually a binder using our porcement powder and the Aberthorpe fly ash, it's a really good solution and alternative for the use of the fly ash and a substitute for the cement material.
I think we complement each other. We in academia give an opportunity to industry, especially startup, with the facility, the resources and the expertise needed to grow the business. On the other hand, we get from the industry an opportunity for networking.
It's exposed us to some really good contacts. There are some big companies that are very interested in what we're trying to do here with the CCR, with Cardiff University. So I think it's given us a real boost for an exposure to the right people.